everyone, thank you for joining me today in this episode of CBD 101. My name is Erin and I am the head of training and education for Nature's Ultra. Rules are usually in place for a reason. They are not only there to help the individual, but to help the group as a whole. Without them, there would be confusion, contention, and chaos. Just think of any game you play, community you live in, or place you visit. CBD is no exception when it comes to rules. They are there for a reason and are designed to not only help you as a consumer, but the industry as a whole. Today, we will go over why it's important to follow FDA guidelines when it comes to CBD. Let's get started. Safety for the consumer. If you've done any research on CBD, you probably have noticed the number of studies out there touting all the benefits that CBD has to offer. While these studies may seem promising, some of them require further study and testing. But while there are many doctors and researchers doing their best to show how CBD can help, there are also many bad players who are just trying to make money, regardless of the consequences. These individuals will run with any claim they can in order to sell their product, even if it isn't true. This type of behavior can be dangerous for consumers and is one of the many reasons why the FDA has to be strict with its guidelines on CBD. Until more research is done, and until the legal landscape is changed in each state, these guidelines will be in place. This is why we at Nature's Ultra have to be so strict in what we can say about our products. While this may seem extremely restrictive, it actually weeds out the shady companies and ensures the compliant companies can thrive. It's also important to mention that guidelines and laws are constantly changing. The CBD industry is fairly new, and research and testing are ongoing. Nature's Ultra tries to be flexible with its messaging and will change as guidelines and the legal landscape changes. That's why you may have seen labels that mentioned internal use, while labels now suggest topical use only. Nothing has changed with the formula and the product is still safe, but we have to be compliant and follow FDA guidelines. We want to be players in the CBD industry for years to come. We are playing the long game and didn't start Nature's Ultra as a quick cash grab. We value quality products and quality business practices. We appreciate all of you for your support and understanding as we continue to share the benefits of essential oil-infused CBD. We hope you found this video helpful. As always, please like and subscribe and leave your questions and comments below. We'll see you next time on CBD 101.